Hello, welcome to Prepare Yourself for Christmas number 2. In today's video I will make an educational toy. First, let's cut up some lumber. Plane it down to the right thickness. And now it's time for the drill press to do its work with the hole saw. I'm drilling out 6 circles. Smoothing the edges on the disc sander and removing the burr from the drill. Now over to the laser. I'm using the rotary attachment. When I made this toy it was still nice weather, so in the meantime I was bicycling. If you want this laser engraver yourself, there is an affiliate link in the description. I absolutely love this laser. Okay, now back to the drill press. I'm using a smaller hole saw this time in the middle. Let's round over the edges to give them a cleaner look. In the past I was always struggling with these small wooden pieces in the jaw to protect my workpiece from the metal jaws. So I finally, after so many years, took the time to make some wooden jaws. And man, this is so much better. I made 6 cylinders. Do you like my projects and do you want to make them yourself? You can become a patron or a member on my YouTube channel and then you can get the plans to make all these amazing toys. Now it's time to do some work on the wood lathe. I'm turning a wooden dowel that fits in the middle of the wooden cylinders. The cylinders are made from beech, but this dowel I'm making out of pine to lose some weight. Cut the dowel to length. Now it's time to make some feet. Okay, so this educational toy is not my favorite educational toy, but I think it's my second favorite educational toy. My first educational toy, it was a project with the board and all the letters laser engraved. It's so educational and fantastic to learn kids their words. That was my favorite educational toy. Just a secret to let you know. Maybe you'll need it in the future. As you saw, I drilled some small holes in the feet. This way it's easy to glue everything together and align it correctly. And it also adds some strength. Time for some hand sanding. This video is part of a mini-series. Go watch the other videos when you're done with this one. Bye! I decided to change the shape a bit because I wanted to laser an arrow. Before you assemble everything, it's easier to finish the circles. Now you can glue it together, and after the glue is dried, you can finish the rest of the toy. watching the video until the end. You're fantastic! This is one of my educational toys I've made throughout the last years. I think educational toys are amazing. Kids can learn a lot. Montessori toys are also amazing. If you own a laser, this is a neat project. You can also make it without a laser and paint it by hand. But if you have a laser, use it. A laser is just amazing and it changes the whole woodworking game. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about educational toys.